We were approached by an insurance company who required AV facilities in 4 rooms across 1 office floor. We advised on 3 bring your own device solutions and 1 fixed Teams room. This room was to be used as a divisible boardroom which would be partitioned off most of the time, but occasionally opened out to 1 large room. Then these rooms were to be used as a budget-friendly bring your own device solution. The boardroom design consisted of a Yealink A30 camera soundbar and meeting touchpad, plus a 75-inch commercial display. Here's some shots of the install. Bring your own device rooms were on a tight budget, so we advised on a 55-inch commercial display plus a Yealink UVC30 camera with a built-in microphone. Users can simply connect via USB and HDMI to host a meeting from their laptop and use the room's video and audio. Here's some shots of the install. We also installed a 55-inch display in the reception area to be used for scheduled company signage. There was no cable access in the walls or the floors, so we used white conduit to hide the cables. The rooms make use of simple but effective design principles which allow users to easily conduct presentations or remote meetings. Here's some shots of the end results.